Top 10 ChatGPT prompts for students and professionals. Here are 10 ChatGPT prompts you can copy and use right now. Prompt 1. Explain topic as if I'm a beginner. This is helpful when you're learning something new. Instead of complex definitions, ChatGPT breaks the topic into simple, clear explanations. Perfect for students or anyone starting out in a new field. Prompt 2. Summarize this article in simple bullet points. Paste text, great for research or work reports. Instead of reading long articles, you get the main ideas quickly in digestible points. This saves time and helps with revision. Prompt 3. Create a 7-day study plan for exam or topic. This gives you structure. If you're overwhelmed by what to read first, ChatGPT can organize your week, balancing different subjects and making sure you stay consistent. Prompt 4. Give me practice questions on topic with answers. Practicing with questions is one of the best ways to prepare for exams. With this prompt, you can test your knowledge and learn from the answers provided. Prompt 5. Explain concept using a real-life example. Sometimes theory feels abstract. This prompt makes ChatGPT connect big ideas to real situations, making it easier to understand and remember. Prompt 6. Write a professional email to audience about topic. Perfect for professionals. Whether it's requesting leave, writing to a client, or sending updates to your boss, ChatGPT helps you write clear, polite, and professional emails. Prompt 7. Draft a LinkedIn post about subject in an engaging style. If you want to grow your personal brand, this prompt helps you sound professional yet relatable. It saves you the stress of staring at a blank page when posting online. Prompt 8. Summarize this meeting transcript into action items. For busy professionals, this turns long discussions into clear next steps. You won't miss key decisions, and it keeps everyone accountable after meetings. Prompt 9. Give me 5 creative ideas for marketing product or service. Entrepreneurs and marketers love this one. It gives you fresh angles, campaign ideas, or even catchy taglines that you might not think of on your own. Prompt 10. Create a step-by-step plan to achieve goal. This is powerful for both students and professionals. Whether it's saving money, starting a project, or preparing for an exam, ChatGPT breaks it into practical steps you can actually follow. These prompts can save you time, boost your productivity, and make learning or working so much easier. Which one will you try first? Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips.